Joe Zarzaur here with another installment of Zarzaur Law TV. This afternoon we're going to talk about mediation. What is mediation? What role does it play in a personal injury case? Why do we have it? That kind of thing. First of all, mediation is now involved in nearly every personal injury lawsuit. Now keep in mind, not every personal injury matter goes to court. So if it doesn't go to court, then you're not going to have mediation. But the 15% or so of cases, injury cases that do go to court, all of them pretty much involve this process called mediation. What is it? Mediation is an informal settlement conference where you and the other side of the case, usually the insurance company and the insurance company's representative, will meet together with a third-party referee type person called a mediator, and all of us will get together and see if we can settle the case. Some of these processes are successful. I tell my clients about 30% of them are successful in resolving the claims. Most of them are not, though. Even though most are not, we still have to do it because before many judges will even give us a trial date, they have to see that we've tried to settle the case at mediation and we weren't successful. The mediation process itself is broken down into two distinct sessions. There's an opening session where you, as the client, me as your lawyer, and the other side and their lawyers sit in one room with the referee or the mediator. We give our side of the story as to why it is we think our case is worth a certain amount of money. They look at us and they tell us why they think their defense is better and that they shouldn't have to pay that much money. No client is asked to take part in this at all. You don't have any speaking role as a client, just the lawyers. And then once that opening session is over with, you split off into separate rooms. And then from that point forward, the referee mediator, I'm calling him referee or her, but that mediator will go back and forth basically trying to see if they can broker a deal between where we are and where they are. I just finished one today. We were quite far apart. One party was at $12 million and the other party was at $4 million. Not every case has that much money, but that tells you where it is we were. And we had come from $300,000 on their end and $20 million on our end. And so we whittled it down to that range. But that's what you do until you're able to settle it or not. If you're able to settle it, the good news is for the client and the insurance company, the case is over. As of that day, you sign a document, case is over, never can be brought back again, it's completely done. And the checks are usually issued within the 2 weeks of that day. So that's what mediation is. That's why we have to deal with it, because it's part of the alternative dispute resolution process that's now all the judges require. So if you're involved in a piece of litigation like this, or you have a question about a personal injury case, you can find us on the web at Zarzaur Law, or you can always call us at 855-HIRE-JOE. Thank you.